I really highly recommend this workshop because you're gonna experience something completely different. It's out of your comfort zone, and you will know deeper about yourself and about the sensation that comes. There is no word to express exactly what's happening. It's more letting yourself open, and you will gain more confidence, and you feel like you are flying, very light and flying, like you are another person. Yes, this is what I feel.
I want to thank you for this workshop, and I'm really happy I came here. And I want to say that it's made me questioning about many things inside of me, about myself, that I never questioned before, and that I feel I'm going to live much more lighter, much more clear mind, with a clearer mind, with a better perception of what I want after, and I'm really happy I came. I want to thank you.
Which are the things that you bring at home much more stronger from today?
The voice.
The voice, yes.
Which kind of voice?
A voice that resonates, a voice that I can feel with my skin, in my skin, yes.
Into my body.
Yes, the body.